start. So this, the values we get it, the tk.table insert, we insert it into the table, and here you have this open as parent and end as from the beginning, starts from the beginning at and move to the end, and values equal values. If you like, you can abbreviate this. You can see this is come up back now. If you like, you can abbreviate this to be values. You can make it something else. You can say inputs, and if you use input here, you say input equal input. So obviously this one becomes what? Inputs. So I'll return it to values. Values. Okay. So we continue and we say return values. Okay. And let's go back and try, since we have our button now. And let's see what will happen. If there is no error, we should be able to input data into the table now. Front desk and password. Alright, let's say this is student 01. Well, let's say ENG engineering student 001, and the name is Lovina Ade, and the tuition is 8,500. The out of pocket paid is 3,000, and she has financial aid so she has financial aid of 6,000. So that puts her at 9,000, and she has a tuition, so she will get a refund of $500. So if we add record, so we can see that we have the record in there now. But if you look at this, how do we add another record? If we leave it like this, we have to clean each box, but that's not good. Users will not enjoy that, having to clean each box each time they want to input a new set of record. So we have to make it in such a way that once the record is inserted into the table, these entry boxes, these input boxes will be cleared off. So let's go and do that. So what we do next is to remove the data typed into the entry box. So we have to bring this down. It's still part of the same function. So what we do is entry underscore SID. What did I do? Entry underscore SID dot delete. Then it's gonna be 0, end. And once you have that for all of them, let's run it and let's see what will happen. Let's test it. Front desk and password. Okay, so let's say 1 dest. Just put something there. Okay, now we have added the record. You can see that the first box is cleared off while others are not cleared. It's because we already gave instruction that the entry box should be cleared for the first one, student ID. So we need to do it for the rest of them so that you can always clear it off. Another thing, there are still so many things that you can do about this table, is that you can specify the kind of value that you can enter into this table. If you want int, if you want a string, you can specify, but that's not part of what we are looking at in this project. So we're just looking at how to create the table, be able to input data in the table, clear off the entry box. So these are the focus we have for this project. Okay, so I'm going to close this out.